Sometimes love is sweet, but sometimes love hurts. A South African man brutally stabbed his girlfriend to death for allegedly cheating on him, and afterwards he posted her online. kusangana kwati kuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV, pandinodzoka nema-updates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again with a sad, shocking and horrific news from South Africa. A young man known on social media as Mfana Ngwenya has killed his girlfriend, Gayo Gelo, allegedly for cheating on him. The incident took place at Tavern, Dubai. After killing his girlfriend, Mfana Ngwenya recorded a video and posted it on Facebook, claiming that he had spent a lot of money on her only for her to cheat on him. He also alleged that her mother had too much influence over her, but in reality, the mother was only trying to protect her daughter from him. After the murder, he reportedly took his girlfriend's body to her mother's home and told her family that, "I has done everything for her. Here is your child. For the shit that you have done to me, I have paid everything." Mfana Ngwenya did this to punish his girlfriend's mother. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch the video when Mfana Ngwenya pleads for forgiveness and explain what happened. After watching the video, let's meet in the comment section and share your thoughts about this story. But for the meantime, Mfana Ngwenya is on run. Police in South Africa is busy searching on him.
Guys, I'm sorry for something that I did today. Kamatsaku Dubai, the van. I didn't mean to do that. I never planned that. As much as Nagarata Kawel, as much as I've loved her to the core, as much as I sacrificed every cent I had for Abishap. Guys, I met Kawelo Alwala. Kawelo Alwala to that. God tried by all means to help Kawelo. Maya's not our, Papa's not our. If you check on my TikTok, go pull again yaka papa high. Tabiso see make mozore. When I walk out there and blind. No one else tell us to see Musamala high. But nakawate. But hook. Come kids and sharp. Guys, I tried by all means to make things work between Alkawel. Mahai. Anyoko milk. Mahai can all everything. Kawel automated protection or than necessary. This probably under Kawan is. Kastuka masalamurao kamakala receive the protection or the agency mapudisa leke samotwe leke samatumi leke stuka. So leka mansa go to buy Japanese paid. Guys, I'm sorry for what I did. It's just again what reversed what I did and I'm supposed to be raising my kids, I'm supposed to be loving my kids, I'm supposed to be the perfect father for my kids. So what one good Simbona. I never thought I never planned. I will learn like him kidney billy man come tiram like the tourist in guys. Like we saw like him kicking a below to seek him mura escape. Like when I really did tourist and I was moving on with my life. So I'm sorry for what I did. I'm really sorry. I just hope sometimes what's really wrong. Basa user on our own as this scapegoat, Basa user on our own unfortunately. Because of what fellas have had about Tomorrow and provide, I think more they provide because of their love can't they are being used. Kawelo news. My can I use it? And then if it really more and Kawelo na guys. It like not for the mola, Pilantala Saga Maya and I just want to post all those things.